Welcome to ActiveI's ActiveImage Protector tutorial videos. This is Robert from the ActiveI webinars. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to restore from a backup. Let's begin by clicking on ActiveImage Protector. We can start the console by clicking the Start button, then navigating to ActiveI, then click on the program. For the purpose of this video, we'll just click on the ActiveImage Protector shortcut that was placed on the desktop during installation. After the initial splash screen, the console is now displayed. There are a couple of ways to initiate the restore: from the main menu on the left side of the console, or from the top of the console menu under Operation. But for now, we'll just use the console menu on the left. Click Recovery, then select Volume Recovery. From the Recovery Points section, select the storage location for the backup image file. In this video, our storage location is a network share labeled Backup. Click on the network share, and a pop-up dialog box is then displayed. Enter the username and password for access to the image files on this storage location and click Connect. Next, click on the folder in the left pane that contains the backup image files. From the center pane, click on the backup source that contains the image you would like to restore. Select the image you have designated for recovery. In this instance, we're going to select the latest backup image for our recovery. Once selected, click Next. Here in the Restore settings, under Source Objects, you can select the entire disk or an individual volume for restore. There are two ways to select the desired source and set the target destination. One is to right-click on Disk 0 for a recovery of the entire disk, or, if just restoring a volume, right-click on a single volume. From the pop-up, select the destination target drive. Or, just click to highlight the source to restore, then drag to the designated target below. For this demonstration, we'll just drag the entire Disk 0 to the empty Disk 1 listed under the target settings. A dialog warning appears to notify you that all data on the target disk will be deleted. Click OK. In this scenario, the target disk is larger than the source, and you'll be notified as such, and the volumes will be restored by ratio automatically to the target. Click OK. Click Next. The Restore Settings summary for this particular recovery is displayed on screen. If satisfied with the selections, click Done. The restore task will begin. When the progress bar reaches 100%, the restore task is completed. Congratulations on a successful disk recovery. Should you have any questions, issues, concerns, or you just need support, please contact ActiveI by email or phone. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your interest in ActiveI's ActiveImage Protector.